The world of technology is in constant flux, always evolving and pushing boundaries. Artificial intelligence stands as a testament to this relentless progress. Within this dynamic landscape, DeepSeek's JANUS PRO emerges as a beacon of innovation, signaling a paradigm shift in the capabilities and potential of AI. JANUS PRO's arrival heralds a new era in artificial intelligence, one marked by unprecedented power, versatility, and accessibility. As we delve deeper into this groundbreaking platform, we will uncover its transformative potential and the seismic shifts it promises across diverse sectors. JANUS PRO is not simply augmenting human capabilities, it's amplifying them, empowering us to achieve feats previously thought impossible. Prepare to witness the dawn of a new AI era, where intelligence is no longer confined to science fiction, but is rapidly becoming our present reality. At its core, JANUS PRO represents a paradigm shift in AI development. It transcends traditional AI models by embracing a multimodal approach. JANUS PRO processes diverse sources like text, images, and audio, mirroring human intelligence. This unique capability empowers JANUS PRO with an unparalleled understanding of context and nuance. Imagine a system that understands words, tone, and expressions. JANUS PRO is efficient, requiring less computational power and training data. This makes it more sustainable and accessible to a wider range of users. JANUS PRO democratizes AI, empowering businesses, research, and individuals. Its design allows seamless operation across devices from cloud servers to smartphones. What truly sets JANUS PRO apart from the crowded field of AI contenders is not just its individual components but the harmonious synergy between them. Its multimodal capabilities, efficiency, and ethical framework are interconnected strengths that amplify its overall impact. This holistic approach to AI development elevates JANUS PRO from a technological marvel to a catalyst for positive change. For instance, in healthcare, JANUS PRO can analyze medical images, patient records, and even genetic information to provide more accurate diagnoses, personalize treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. Moreover, JANUS PRO's efficiency ensures that these advancements are not achieved at the cost of environmental sustainability. Its lean architecture requires less energy to operate, minimizing its carbon footprint and contributing to a greener future. Furthermore, JANUS PRO is built upon a robust ethical framework. DeepSeek recognizes the potential risks associated with powerful AI and has taken proactive steps to mitigate bias, ensure transparency, and prioritize human well-being in all its applications. This commitment to ethical AI ensures that its immense power is always used responsibly and for the betterment of humanity. JANUS PRO in action, reshaping industries across the board. The transformative potential of JANUS PRO extends far beyond the theoretical, already making tangible impacts across a multitude of industries. In healthcare, its ability to analyze diverse medical data is revolutionizing diagnostics, treatment planning, and drug discovery. Imagine a world where diseases are detected earlier, treatments are tailored to individual needs, and new cures are developed at an unprecedented pace. In finance, JANUS PRO's ability to analyze market trends, assess risk, and detect fraud is transforming the way financial institutions operate. Its real-time insights empower traders to make more informed decisions, while its fraud detection capabilities enhance security and safeguard against financial crimes. The manufacturing sector is also experiencing JANUS PRO's transformative power. Its ability to optimize production processes, predict equipment failures, and improve quality control is ushering in a new era of smart manufacturing. Factories are becoming more efficient, resilient, and adaptable, leading to higher quality products, reduced waste, and increased productivity. These are just a few examples of how JANUS PRO is reshaping industries across the board. Challenges to big tech. JANUS PRO disrupts the monopoly of AI technology by major tech companies. For years, AI has been dominated by a few tech giants, creating barriers for smaller players. DeepSeek's JANUS PRO is changing this, democratizing access to advanced AI. Its efficiency and affordability empower smaller businesses and startups. JANUS PRO's open architecture fosters collaboration and innovation. This democratization leads to a more competitive and vibrant AI landscape. The road ahead, JANUS PRO's potential to transform the future. The journey of JANUS PRO is just beginning. As this revolutionary platform continues to evolve, its potential applications seem limitless. Imagine a future where AI-powered personal assistants are not just conveniences but trusted companions, capable of understanding our needs, anticipating our desires, and seamlessly managing our daily lives. In the realm of education, JANUS Pro could personalize learning experiences, adapting to each student's unique pace and style. Imagine a world where every student has access to a personalized AI tutor, providing tailored instruction, identifying areas for improvement, and fostering a love of learning. The future of transportation will also be profoundly impacted by JANUS Pro. Its ability to process vast amounts of data in real time will be instrumental in the development of safe and reliable autonomous vehicles. Imagine a world where traffic accidents are virtually eliminated, commutes are transformed into productive work sessions, and transportation is accessible to everyone. As its capabilities continue to expand and its applications become more widespread, JANUS Pro has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Conclusion: democratizing AI for a brighter tomorrow. DeepSeek's JANUS Pro represents a watershed moment in the evolution of artificial intelligence. Its unique combination of multimodal capabilities, efficiency, ethical framework, and commitment to accessibility is democratizing AI, making its transformative power available to a wider audience than ever before. This has profound implications for businesses, organizations, and individuals alike, empowering them to innovate, solve complex problems, and create a brighter future. As we stand on the cusp of this exciting new era, it's imperative that we approach the development and deployment of AI with both enthusiasm and responsibility. JANUS Pro serves as a shining example of how AI can be a force for good, empowering us to address some of the world's most pressing challenges and create a more equitable and sustainable future for all. The journey has just begun, but the destination promises to be extraordinary.